Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hola chicos, bienvenidos de nuevo a mi canal. And if you are new here, my name is Diana. If you're not new here, welcome back. So today's video is a kind of crazy one. Today I will be signing my new lease to my new place. And I'm gonna move into a casa. So when I first came to college, I moved into my first apartment, which I gave you guys apartment tour. That was the first one. And then a year later, we moved into this one, which I think I might add a little apartment tour at the end because everything is kind of moved out already. It's not really much of the privacy for my other roommates. But I'll give you guys a little tour at the end. This year, my third year in college, I'm gonna move into a house. So I'm gonna move into a house, and I believe it's gonna be 4 girls. There's 4 rooms, so everybody's gonna have their own room, which I'm super excited because since I moved into college, I've been sharing a room, which to be honest, at some points it was tough because I'm a very, I love my privacy. I love to vlog, I love to edit, I love to film videos, and sometimes just because I feel like I don't want to annoy the person. So I'm gonna get my own room and I'm very excited. And I don't know if I'll take you guys along just because I'm gonna go meet the landowner. I'm really sad that I'm not gonna see my roommates anymore because with my roommates, we've been together since we started college. So we're all gonna go our own separate ways. They're gonna go live with their boyfriends and I'm gonna go live with some chicas from my sorority. I'm gonna change kind of everything. I wanna go to like a white vibe in the room. I changed my blankets to white. I've been having the marble for 2 years. I want to change them to white. Bring some photos. I just want to make it so cute. Wish me luck. I'm gonna go sign my lease and see if I can move some stuff. I'll probably vlog packing. I might do TikToks. I don't know. I'm not sure, but I'm trying to move everything out soon. Buenos dias. Good morning, everybody. Today we woke up at my apartment. I think I'm the last one to move because I'm literally the last one that has them. Actually, Jenny has some stuff. This video is going to be all over the place, just by the way, because I don't know when I'm going to start it, when I'm going to finish it, what I'm going to record. So I'm just going to record little clips here or there, so in case you guys see places everywhere. If you guys hear music, my older brother, is here helping me to move out, but all he's doing is hearing music. I have a story time of what my experience has been in this place, so I don't know if I'm gonna add that to here. I'm gonna do an apartment tour as well, so depending on how it goes, I might add it onto here or to another video. I'm kind of just gonna move the kitchen stuff just because it's a lot and it's like the heavy parts, which I'm gonna move today with my older brother to see what I can do. We actually got here at 20 minutes ago. It's 8 in the morning, 8:27 in the morning. We brought this box from my parents' house to try to fill it up with kitchen stuff. And I know the girls at the house still, not everybody has taken everything from the kitchen. So I'm probably just gonna leave it in the room. Also, one of the girls who moved out sold some furniture to another girl who's gonna move into a different room, but that furniture is in my room right now. So if we have time, we'll try to help her move out so we can put more stuff in mine. Let's pack up to go to my new house stuff. So Jenny basically threw all my stuff in here, so I knew exactly what I needed to take. And right now I'm gonna throw away some stuff that I don't need. This thing is dirty as hell. That pot, yo lo voy a tirar. We're gonna go shopping with my mom for more pans and pots that I need. My little brother's girlfriend, I believe, who brought me this from Mexico, and I've had it up in the room. We're gonna take her to a bunch of I'm gonna put my spoons y todo aquí. I'm gonna throw that pan. It's old already. I don't think I have much to take. I'm just gonna throw most of it. It's kind of dark in here, so I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see, but sorry, you can hear my brother's music. So I'm in the closet now and I'm going to pack everything in here. Most of my stuff ya las tengo empagadas en bolsas like a couple days ago, pero voy a empagar los resto aquí para moverlos and see what I'm gonna take to my parents' house that I don't want here anymore. Victoria is gonna be one of my roommates, so Victoria, she's gonna get to the house around 9:30 so we can start moving stuff. So I just want to pack whatever I can and start moving and then see how much space I have in the room to move other stuff. My biggest plan is to move like the cabinets just because they're like the bigger ones and I have my brother here to help me. I already packed all the kitchen stuff. Now I'm just gonna pack this. Last day of moving, so let me show you guys what I have left. So I only have those stuff I have to get off and then just this little things that were like under the bed to tirarlos. The fish is still there, that's my roommates, and we're washing the bathroom because we need to get that. This is what's left over from my closet that I'm going to be taking. It's just little things. And then Elmer came to help us too. Oh, bless you. Plus, they took the couches already. Like last week, a couple weeks ago. We only have the table, which some girl's gonna come pick it up later. I can fit all my stuff in here. If we go in the kitchen, I took everything. And oh, this is my only thing I need to take. We're gonna clean up. And we're gonna be all ready to leave this apartment. I have so many memories here, and I'm like sad and happy, and I have a story to tell you guys because we think this place is haunted. Take out this box.
Take out what?
This box.
To the car?
Yeah. Okay. No, you're not gonna be able to by yourself. It's heavy. Are you sure? Catch you down here.
No, not that. I didn't know, bro. These are hella steep, or they feel steeper. That was not one TikTok yesterday.
Hey guys, I'm gonna give you guys an apartment tour. By the time you guys see this, I won't be living here, so that's why I don't care if you guys see the number because I obviously won't be living here. First thing you see, we have this little space right here, and then you walk up these stairs, which it's been kind of tiring because the stairs are kind of steep. The first thing you see as you guys come up here is our living room space. But before I show you guys that, you're gonna see our little kitchen. So you walk in here, we have our sink. We would divide the cabinets, like me and Marin. These three are me and Marin's, and then Jenny's were those, just because Jenny has more space. And then all of this, our kitchen, our refrigerator, and then if you guys follow me this way, we have a little door that leads into like the dining area. But we never used it as a dining area. We turned it into a mini room just because one of my roommates wouldn't really sleep here, but like she was renting here. So she added like a little cortinita through there, and this was her closet. Which honestly, I don't know what it was meant to be like for kitchen stuff. What are you gonna hang, like cacerolas? So we just assumed it could have been like a mini. This is the living room, like I showed you guys. We had our couches right there, which would divide like the room and all of that. This was the dining table, which we're just waiting for someone to pick it up. And then we come in here, our room. There's only one room. So you come in here, it's like a mini little hallway, and that's a sucky ass light. But you come in here, which was my closet, which is a pretty big closet, not gonna lie. I fit almost everything in here. So they had these little spaces where I would put like my makeup, everything. Then we have these cute hangers. So follow me inside here. So in here, I had all my clothes hanged here, and then right here I had two little like drawers to have stuff in here, and my shoes would be up there. So this is my closet, which is pretty big. And then we close the closet door, and to the right is our bathroom. It wasn't too big. It wasn't too big, but it was nice. My mom just wants us to go ready. But this is our shower. Pretty cute space. I really like this thing where like you can put stuff inside, so it's not everything that's outside. So then we come to Jenny and my room. We enter Jenny and my room. You obviously see that this one's like a big room. To the right is Jenny's closet, which towards the beginning she had less clothes, but towards the end she had a shopping section. So she ended up having a lot of clothes. So this was, oh, that's her fishy. I think Jenny's gonna keep him. I don't know if she's came to clean him, or is he even alive still? We don't know. But this was Jenny's side, and then this side was my bed. Right, this side was mine. I had my bed right here, and then I had some stuff over here. And this was my view, guys. It's such like a cute, calm neighborhood. I remember those neighbors in the front, they would have family get-togethers every Thursday. They would go and make a little family festival. That's good. What I'm talking about. There's a ghost in here, and I'm gonna tell you guys about it.
Oh my god, I should just.
Did you see this slab the door? So I'm gonna conclude today's video. I'm gonna explain to you guys why I kind of went and was a little scared after, but once we get to my parents' house, I can explain to you. Guys, that is my little apartment tour. Like I told you guys, by the time you guys see this vlog, I'm not gonna be living here. I'm gonna be in a new space, which I'm most likely going to vlog over there. I just wanna say thank you guys. You guys have seen vlogs in here, not many vlogs, but you guys have seen vlogs in here. Thank you guys so much for watching and following me through these life journeys, life, new places that life takes me. But anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. That way it's gonna notify every time I upload a new video. Bye guys, love y'all.